bringing life wherever they go. Deserts bloom and nations sing at the touch of heaven's King. Ankle deep, then deeper still, till your river floods my will. Carry me where mercy streams, beyond my fears and broken dreams. Let your river flow through me, bring your healing endlessly. Every dry and barren place comes alive before your grace. Living water, flood my soul. Only you can make me whole. Where your river runs, life grows.